So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take the data, which is posted on Google Classroom, the data from our ELK activity, and turn it into a graph on Google Sheets. So this example is with period 5 data. So if you just copy and paste the data table, so you can do Control C, go to a blank spreadsheet, so go to a new Google Sheet, and then Control V, paste the data. If you want to make it a little bit smaller, maybe easier to see, you can. All right, then highlight the data table. Make sure that you're just highlighting the information you want in the graph. Go up here to this, what looks like a bar graph. Click Insert Chart, and it'll basically make it for you. We just need to do some editing of what they make for you. So, for example, this isn't a very good title. We're missing the label here on the y-axis. So there's a couple of different things that we can do. All right, so first of all, if you just double click where the title is, we can change it to the title that we have on our paper graphs from class. So the effect of resource availability on ELK population. Okay, if you want to, you can also go down here and center it, make it bold. Okay. All right, so that was under this chart and axes titles, okay? So we just did chart title. Now we want to change, or rather add, we have our horizontal title, year is fine. Vertical axis. Now, one thing that we are not able to do on this graph is we are not able to add a vertical axis title on both sides. So I'm going to use both ELK population and habitat, habitat components on this type or on this axis. Okay, now if you want to add things like if you want to change the specifics of our years here. So if our first year, if you want to make it more, if you want it to be more than just 0, 5, 10, 15, I believe if you click treat labels as text, then you can see each individual year here. Okay. Other things you can change, which is optional. I believe you can change the color of those for the key. Not 100% sure how to do that, but I think you can if you want to, which not required, so not a big deal. But then we have our graph. So if you just want to kind of double check your data, that at year 0, we're at 5 ELK and at 16 habitat components. And if you want to kind of go through and make sure that that's all accurate, and this should reflect what you have on paper already. Okay, so now if you go up here to these 3 dots and go to copy chart, then you can go to your slides and paste this line graph in your slides. And that should be it.